Hello guys, we have here another problems to solve. So we have a system of linear equation 3x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. So solve natin siya gamit ang substitution method in solving system of linear equations. Okay, so ngayon, mamimili kayo ngayon kung alin sa dalawang equation ang kukuha na natin ng value ng x or value ng y. So, dito tayo, I choose x minus y equals 2. Then, pipili naman tayo kung alin ang gusto nating kuning value. So, pwedeng x or pwedeng y. So, in that case, ang pipili natin is x is equals to 2 plus y. So, x ang kukuha na natin ng value. So, ang value ng x is 2 plus y. So, nilipat lang natin yung minus y. Paglipat doon, positive na. Right. So, substitute natin ngayon tong value ng x na to, na 2 plus y, doon sa unang equation. Sa 3x plus y equals 10. Right? Papalitan natin ngayon yung x dito ng 2 plus y. So, 3 times 2 plus y equals 10. So, ang ginawa natin, pinalitan natin yung x na yan ng 2 plus y. Right? Then, solve. 6, 3 times 3 is 6 plus 3y plus y equals 10. Then, this is 4y equals 10 minus 6. 4y is equals to 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Divided this by 4. Divided this by 4. So, y equals 1. Right? So, meron na tayong value ng y. So, substitute natin ngayon yan dito sa y ng equation na to. So, x is equals to 2 plus, ano nga yung y? 1. So, 1. Then, x is equals to 3. So, the solution is 3 and 1. That is substitution method in solving system of linear equation. By this, 3a minus b equals 5, 2a plus 5b equals 9.